Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a charge to your timer charging on Suzuki. So I am on a Suzuki Evaterra. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and select the settings. Here in settings, we want to select EV, and in EV, we want to go to charge. Now, once you click on charge, you should see the animation, and here we want to go to timer charging. Once we're here, as you guys can see, we have the charging. So start 7:35, and here, for example, we can click on add, and we can start at, for example, we can start at 21, which is 9 p.m., and we can start on Sunday and Saturday. Now here we can easily just click on confirm, and as you guys can see, it has been added right here. Of course, we can change it. We can also delete it completely. We can click delete, and now they're gone. That's what we can do now, and that's it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.